All right, guys, lesson 5, homework problems here. It says rule C gives a monthly cost in dollars. So that means this is the dollars based on using this many gigabytes. So write a sentence. It costs $40 to use 2 gigabytes of data. Which is less, C4 or D4? So the cost, cell phone company C, $10 a month plus $15 per gigabyte. So $10 plus 15 times 4 gigabytes. So that'd be 10 plus 60 for a total of $70. Plan D is just $80 a month. So obviously this one is less. $10 a month plus $15 a gig, $80 for unlimited. So as long as you use 4 gigabytes, this one is cheaper. How about if you use 5? Now this one is $85. Plan D is still $80. So D is now cheaper. Okay, when will C cost $130? 130 plus 15 times what? No, that's not right. $130, 10 plus 15 times what? There we go. So how many gigs can I get? Well, I have $10 here. That means this has to be 120. 10 plus 120 is 130. So 15 times what is 120? 120 divided by 15 is 8 gigabytes. Draw the graph. Okay, the first one is $10 a month, so I'm starting at $10. And then up 15 for every gig. So 1 gig will be 15 more than 10. So 10 plus 15 is 25. And then up another 15. $25 plus 15 would be 40. So you should see that continuing to go up. Other one, that would be cell phone C, $80, right there, straight across. Question number 2, for what input does g of x equal 4? So where does the y value equal 4? On our line, so it'd be 2 and negative 2. B. We've done this equilateral triangle before. Wants to know P parenthesis, what does that mean when it equals 60? That means the perimeter of a triangle with side S is 60. So what would S have to be? Equilateral, so all the sides are equal. So what number times 3 equals 60? And that, of course, is 20. Function G takes a student's first name for its input and gives a number of letters as its output. So Jada obviously has 4 letters in it. So Diego, input is a name, output is a number of letters in Diego, which is of course just 5. Pretty simple. W gives the puppy, weight of the puppy in pounds as a function of its age. So the weight of the puppy is the last number. This would be age in months. So at 2 months, puppy is 5 pounds. What does this one mean? That means a 6-month-old puppy weighs more than a 4-month-old puppy. And the last one that's equal there, 12-month-old puppy weighs the same as a 15-month-old puppy. Question number 6, explain what each means. Equation or inequality. Looks like we are talking about a perimeter of a fence. So 2 times the length plus 2 times the width equals how much fence I will need, the perimeter. Okay, X looks like that would be this one. So it needs to be at least 10 feet wide. I'll just circle that. That's what that means. At least 8 feet long. There's where that comes from. And at $3 a foot, he needs to spend less than his budget, or he won't be able to afford it. His mom says he should also include the inequality f is greater than or equal to 0. Do you agree? Yeah, you could defend this one either way. You could say, well, obviously this has to be more than 10, this has to be more than 8. So we are for sure going to need some fence. But it does make sense. You could say agree. You're not going to buy negative amount or 0 fence when you are buying it to go around your garden. So that is assumed, but it doesn't hurt to list it. And that is it from 4.5.